Today I'm going to show you how to set up CISLL's Eye Tracker. First, we want to start by turning on the desktop and the other laptop. Then here you can select iLink just by pressing enter. I am going to show you how you can set up the participant for the eye tracker. So I will have the participant sit down. I will ask her, do you have any makeup, any mascara, anything?
No.
Nope. And then preferably probably take their glasses off, but I mean they could keep them on. We could test it. So now I'll have her rest. Is that too low for you?
No, it feels okay.
Feels okay? And you want to let your participant know that they may be sitting here for an hour, hour and a half, up to 2 hours. So ask them, will you be comfortable here for a long period of time?
Yes.
Okay. Are you comfortable in this position?
Could it be a little higher?
Yes, it can. So now what we can do here is I'll have the participant step outside, and then you just twist these, and this will just move freely. And then tighten it to make sure it's comfortable for the participant, and have them try it.
Great.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can focus the lens in case the image is blurry. So we'll come up here and just be nice and delicate because we don't want to break anything. And then you'll zoom in until you get a nice clear image. Before we start calibrating and validating to make sure that the lens is getting good data, we want to go to the track option on the laptop and click yes. And that should pop up on the participant screen. Now we can start with the camera setup. Make sure you are on the correct pupil. We are using the participant's left pupil, and we can start calibrating. Before we press calibrate, we're going to let the participant know that they're going to look at the small circles on the screen. And then we can accept fixation. Then we'll hit accept. And for the pupil threshold, we want numbers between 75 and 115. And for the corneal reflection, we don't want anything over 240. Next, we can hit validate. Accept fixation. And so this is a good example of what we want to see. All of the numbers are below 1. Now we can press accept, and you can start collecting data. This is an example of a bad calibration because we do not have a complete square, and they are not evenly spaced out. In this case, you would want to press restart to redo it. When we start calibrating, we want to make sure that it says stable and we accept the fixation in order to start the calibration process. This is a much better example, and we can accept this and then move on to validate. If the participant is moving all over the place, you would want to instruct them to look at the little small circle on the screen. So right here, the participant has a number that's over 1, so the eye tracker will have her redo that number to see if she can get closer or under 1. And this is what we want to see for validation. And we hit accept. And now I'm going to show you how to shut off the eye tracker. So you're going to want to click on exit setup, exit eye link, and it's as simple as just pressing this shutdown button right up here and then pressing OK. And then we want to do the same with the laptop, which is going to the Windows button, up to the iLab, and clicking sign out. Don't forget to put the cap on the camera. Be nice and gentle because we don't want to scratch the lens. And always make sure to clean up after yourself.